Hey guys, how to create a content through a AI tool. So first of all go to Chrome. After that search in Chrome creator.ai. Creator is basically generator content and gives lots of content where you can use on website. You can see here creator.ai. Here resources and pricing, business, about. You can see that. You can easily generate here content for your website and social media, and you can sign in here. Now you can log in here. If you have not account, you can create an account here, and you can directly log in through a Google account. Now you understand how to create account and log in creator.ai, and after that you can use to generate a content through this creator AI. Now you understand how to generate a content through creator.